So I thought I'd do a bit of an update. We're ploughing and it's pretty wet. It's not ploughing too bad considering. This is where I've had rye and it's a bit of a mess tidying it up. I haven't done a video for ages, so I just thought I'd do one now. It's November the 22nd, doing a bit of ploughing, kind of probably the last sort of groundwork I'm going to do, I suppose, now. Yeah, it's pretty wet in a quite a heavy clay field, just getting it tidied up really for the winter, and hopefully this will probably go in spring barley now, I guess. So I'm on the 726, which I bought, done the deal, traded my one in and got this one, which was the demo tractor. So I don't know, I've had it about, I don't know, nearly a couple of months I suppose now. And so far, yes, it's pretty impressive, nice tractor. All very much the same inside the cab, obviously just bigger. The 718, oh, we're going through some water here. So yeah, the 718 was obviously 180 horsepower. And this one's 260. So yeah, big old jump up in power. But I have upgraded some machinery, bigger kit and stuff, so just make life a bit easier and quicker getting things done, which hasn't helped a lot this year because it's been so wet constantly. From about the middle of October it's not stopped raining, but I have managed to get 230 acres of wheat drilled, which is on some lighter land, which is all, well, most of it's up, looking quite well really considering. So we're getting over it with the beast. So we got water again. Whoa, let's see. That's one thing I like about this tractor, is the four-wheel drive is all done by itself. So the back wheels and the front wheels all work together, so if the back is spinning, it'll slow the back wheels down and the front ones will go a bit faster to try and keep it all moving, and it works so good. Yeah, that's pretty impressive so far anyway. I better not speak too soon. There's a footpath runs across here as well, so walkers will have a nice challenge now getting across. that's it, we're done. 3:45. Let's give the wheels a bit of a clean off. They're not as bad as I thought, but right, that's it for this update. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one.